2023 is a milestone year of the Chinese car market, and now welcome to 2024, the year of Dragon. Also this year, we might still see the rapid rise of the Chinese car market. Today we'll meet the Maikel, the president and also the CEO of the Porsche China, to see his view on Chinese car market and also his plan for the Chinese Lunar New Year.
Hey, nice meeting you.
Happy New Year.
Welcome to my office.
Very nice view.
You have all the iconic buildings. You see the financial tower and, of course, Shanghai towers. It's also cool because you see the new development of Pudong. 2023 was a year of the new energy vehicles, and the Chinese are one of the leading OEMs in this field. So it's no doubt and no wonder that in 2023 the market for NEV cars was growing, and China's customers are very important for us. So Porsche tries everything to satisfy the customers and maintain the biggest market in the world. The automotive industry is one that will face a more challenging year in 2024. It is clear that we need and want to develop cars in China for China. So we put a lot of effort to start an engineering center here in China, in terms of engineering, but also in terms of digitalization.
I like to really explore Shanghai, and I do this with all means. It's the year of the dragon, and I remember when I came here, we also started the year of the dragon. That was 12 years ago. Shanghai for me is one of the top cities in the world. I know exactly about the dragon because my wife is a dragon.
Oh, really?
So it's about power, it's about strength, it's about determination, success. I spent a few Lunar New Years here, so I love xiaolongbao, I love dumplings. Tried it myself very unsuccessfully. So the business environment in China, and especially in Shanghai, the atmosphere is still amazing in terms of growth, in terms of energy, and in terms of future perspective.
I wish everyone a happy year of the dragon. Stay healthy and be prosperous. And I think what you have achieved here in China, especially here in Pudong, is just amazing. Congratulations and have a good year of the dragon.